yourself?
I think this is on stream actually.
Sure. Let me unmute. Yeah. So basically, I mean, we got 500 listeners on the Arena, which is like an app that's like kind of like Warpcast, or like it's just like a copy of Twitter, but with Web3 incentives on it.
Yep.
And 500 listeners, which is dope. Um, and the other guy that was with me also got into the infra build program on Avalanche. So it's pretty hype. He's building some AI stuff. I talked about what we're doing at Bita, and it was nice. I got a ton of
Nice.
followers. People
Okay.
bought my like tickets. Like every profile on there has like tickets, which I guess is like a way to like invest in people's social profile. It's kind of cool.
Oh, interesting. What's the arena though? Like I've never heard about that.
Me
Like
neither.
what?
It's very like Avalanche specific. It's kind of like Warpcast on Avalanche, but
Ooh.
they basically copy your Twitter automatically and use the Twitter APIs and stuff. It's like I think so. It's kind of cool. Like hey, you bring your Twitter followers with you.
That's really interesting actually. That's very very interesting. I think like that's one of the things I don't like about Warpcast is like you start from scratch, right? You start from a new profile and like you need to if you want to like tweet something on Twitter and then say the same thing on a Warpcast, you gotta go to the Warpcast.
Yeah, I think it's
I'm
really
not sure
smart.
if I
Like
should show this, but what the hell is this?
what?
I'm literally sharing a freaking music phrase on my stream. Um,
Nice.
but it seems like what is this? Cloud computing. I mean, I think it's a scam. That's why I shared it. But akamai.com. they sent me they sent me an email with um I guess I can show you. I don't think it matters because I think it's a scam. Uh, but a really nice, well done scam. Because for a second I was like, really? This is interesting.
You
Like,
gotta
why?
respect a good scam.
Yeah, you gotta respect a good scam. I mean, um, oh yeah, this is totally a scam. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, should I show it? I mean, I'm still like kind of.
You're shilling the scam by
Yeah,
accident.
yeah. Probably should do it. Let's just
Doesn't really matter.
So Twitch is definitely not sending me the code yet. I'm waiting.
Let's
I'm waiting. Maybe I can join yours.
Let me try knocking again.
No, it's not nothing to do with you. It's more like I need to validate my phone number. I didn't have a phone number yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, try giving me a knock. Let me leave your thing and then.
I'll do it.
Yeah. If you just hover over my stream on the left, it should come up like a knock pop up.
Oh, freaking hell! I still need to verify my phone number. Jesus, I wanna get stuff done, and I didn't get a message yet. I'm still waiting.
Okay. If you want, screw it. I think this is fine. Like, we'll just stay on a call. I'm just gonna jump on a call on the web app so that I hear you better, and we can just co-stream like this. I think it's fine for now. What do you think?
Okay, fair enough. Yep, sure.
Nice. Let's. You want to try Telegram again? Even though it just never works for me. I don't know why. Do you use the K version or the A version of Telegram? It has it in the URL. It's like a K or an A in the URL.
Oh, I use the desktop app.
Oh, maybe I should have just gotten that by now.
Yeah. Also, you're a premium payer.
Yeah, I'll take care of them. Is it this one? Scaria? Scaria Telegram?
No, dude, go to telegram.com or telegram dot. It's their thing.
Oh, wait. No, it's because I'm in a different language. I'm in Italian. For some reason.
You should go to telegram.org and there's
No, I
Telegram
am.
for macOS.
Yep. It was just pitching me the Italian version for some reason. Maybe because of my nose.
So, guys, whoever's listening, go to if you want to follow Mark and what he's doing, just go to with your name. You gotta switch that. But OX Soko, I'll drop the link in the chat.
I'm taking suggestions. Do you have any better suggestions?
No, I actually like it. Just the OX. The OX is just hard to say.
Yeah, 0x.
0x. Yep, 0x. 0x. Anyway, we are. I was just looking at this post. Lazarus hits NPM again. So like, be safe out there. I think this is pretty scary. Is buffer validator? I'm not sure if I've ever used this one, but this seems like a package that we could have installed at some point. Let me just take a look. Maybe like a similar name or something like that. But this definitely looks like pretty popular. or should be quite popular package. You know what I'm talking about? Just gonna drop it in your stream.
No. I mean, there's a bunch of validated. I mean, there's a bunch of buffer packages, right, that we've used. But it's what this is like just the npm package with a vulnerability.
No, this is like a new one. It seems from what I'm seeing, it only has one version, and it's called is buffer validator. They have a few more. Those ones I don't think you know I don't think I've ever used any of those. But is buffer validator like is a name that kind of like rings a bell, but not really because from history,
No,
this
yeah, not
new package was just released today.
yeah, not to me, but it's possible. Yeah, that's how I
Oh
got
no
wiped
way!
out. Was with a npm package a while ago, back in my day.
Yo, the thing is, I think npm kind of uh, removed all the logic or all the code within this package. Because if you look at it, it's just a README and a package JSON saying this package contains malicious code. So it means that the previous version
Nice,
was probably compromised.
nice. Yeah, they definitely try to patch that stuff probably as quick as possible.
Let me, what's that website? NPM JS Trends or NPM Trends? How's that? There's like a website where you can see all the, yeah, NPM Trends, npmtrends.com. I'm gonna check if this package existed before. Oh no, it's new. It's recent, so no biggie, no problem. All right, Mark. I have a proposal for today. Since it's our first time on this together, I wanted to pitch you an idea, and I know you have a very good sense of product.
Do I though?
I want to see. I want to see your reaction. I'm just kidding, but
Try to get
joking
this,
aside, joke.
keep going, but also take this call on Telegram.
Okay. Or let me call you. I think my
Just never works for me.
yeah, it never works for you because I block everyone from my life. Let me just
Hmm.
let me just close this call and call you there.
Okay. Hey,
Yo, yo.
nice. Yeah, honestly, let's just do this for now. If that's cool with you.
Yeah, totally. So I'm gonna. How do you want me to present the idea? Like on
Uh,
stream? Should I share my screen here too? What's the best way?
no, don't worry about the meet. Just talk voice on the meet. All right. So I was just gonna do like some mono repo stuff, but I guess I'll just do that this weekend. You want to jump into something else? And I have like an hour.
Yeah. You have an hour?
Yeah, I'm about to go on a walk when my girlfriend gets here, and
Okay, yeah,
then
cool,
I'll jump back
perfect.
on.
Because I'm also closing the stream in 1 hour.
Nice. Okay.
So I think let's use the hour. I think one of the ideas, and I shared on Twitter the other day, is like this concept of prompt jockeys. I shared the guy. Apparently, I'm not sure if you saw, but someone tagged the actual DJ, or at least a group. I started my stream today with that stuff. So apparently, there's this data bots, and I think it's like a group of musicians, and they all have like these sort of AI models and AI workflows for generating music and and perform live and stuff like that. So I wanted to like vibe code an app where you can sort of send a prompt, generate music, and then keep adding music to your queue and mix music live. Sort of like the thing we saw in Denver, but trying to make it an actual, you know, usable thing for everyone. How does that sound?
Nice. Sounds good. You have already some of the UI and stuff, right? V zeroed or like cursored up.
Yeah, I got. So the thing is, I kind of hit the limits yesterday with V0. I feel like at first I got a really nice UI, but then I kept like asking for features to the point where the code base grew too much and it's now full of bugs. So we need to start from scratch. The one useful thing I got from V0 was a summary of all the things we ended up doing yesterday. And this is a massive prompt. But we can probably use that to like start our workflow. Oh, I think it got cut off. Wait.
Nice, nice.
Fuck.
All right. How about this? How about you build the UI and the app since you kind of already like went through this a bit and do like very simple features. I will make you API endpoints to upload the music. Wait, so is it like do you get like a file output or is it supposed to just be live? Because I was thinking like publishing it to IPFS, maybe also writing it on some kind of blockchain and giving people ownership of it, or you don't even want to do stuff like that right now.
Sure. Actually, I like that. I like that idea. I haven't thought about that. But that's cool because with Replicate, the problem is the URLs after it generates the file, like they have some sort of expiration, you know, like so like after maybe one day the file won't exist anymore. So it actually is nice if you could upload that to IPFS somehow
Perfect.
and attribute ownership. Yep.
Perfect. So that's what I'll do. Do you have like an example that you can like either just show me through replicate or just like a fake flow of what you're gonna try to build?
Yep. Let me. Okay, I'll share my screen because I think the live stream
Let's
is
let's let's
probably.
pretend this is a 1 hour hackathon.
All right. So V0, I can add you to the project since we are in the same team here. Prompt, share, private, everyone in the team. Done. I think you can go to this link now and see how replicate works. Let me know if you can actually use that link.
Yep, I can. Let me just switch to the team. Nice. I got it fired up.
And then there's like this, yeah. But I'll start from scratch now. So like, while you're doing that, maybe you can use the replicate route to store on IPFS or something like that. And I'll just try to reprompt with the summary from yesterday and try to get the new UI done. How does that sound?
I'm just trying it. Does it actually work or no?
No,
No,
it's
no.
full of bugs now.
Okay. Nice though, but the UI is sick and the buttons and everything. You're gonna keep that, or you're just gonna go from scratch?
I'll go from scratch because I think like after a while, I'm not sure how far you got with V0 projects, but like I noticed that with more context and as you iterate on new versions, it starts getting buggy and I didn't have bugs in the beginning, so I was able to generate songs at like version 5. But in version 18, like I have a bunch of bugs. I cannot generate music anymore, so it's like it's not great.
Got you. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna work on the endpoint then. Are you gonna have a next app, or I'll just make a separate service for now.
Yeah, make it a separate service. Look into the route. the replicate route and see how it works. So then we can just combine that into my new app.
Okay. Do you have the link to the specific replicate, or is it in the V0 that you're using, or is it just like
Oh,
it's
it's literally the route there, like the generate music something.
okay?
Yeah, generate music route in the project, the V0 project I sent you.
Got it. Got it.
You should be able to get access to the file. Let me just make sure it's there, but it should be there, or maybe it's buggy. I don't know, but you can run this as a you can convert this into like a node service or something,
Go
and
it.
just test things out.
Go it. Go it.
Also, I'll send you an API key for you to test these things if you need.
Okay. Yep. Just shoot me that on the Telegram or something, and I'll keep it off stream.
Yep. Damn. My guy is cooking.
You got a lot of viewers on X. You're like floating at like 50 or
Yeah.
50 to 80 before. I don't know if you still are. It's pretty epic.
Yeah, but I think those are like unique views, not really like active viewers.
I forgot that they do that. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, on Streamlabs though, it shows 86 viewers, but I think it's like a UI issue. It's not
Yep.
like actual viewers.
They're tricked by Twitch too. I mean Twitter, thinking that it's actual live viewers. Yeah, which is funny because like they're obviously doing that on purpose to make it look like they're getting more engagement.
Yep, of course.
But it's like new.
Still, like I mean, 85 people. It's more than what I got on Twitch ever.
Yeah, yeah.
And the nice thing is that then I think we get to keep the whole live, right? We can download and reuse parts of it from X. While on Twitch, once you're done, it disappears forever.
Well, you just turn on VODs and it actually saves.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you told me that the other day, but I forgot.
Yeah, you should once you're like comfortable with streaming and not worried about like leaking too much stuff or keys or stuff, you should definitely turn that on because it's like nice too. It'll be on your profile. You can see all your past streams and people see that you're active and stuff.
Nice. Yeah, I'll definitely do that.
I'm just gonna go Next.js, even though just because I'm a maximalist. It would have been nice to learn Nest or something, but I'm not gonna bother with that right now.
No. Also, I had a conversation last night with a guy doing a lot of MCP stuff, and he changed my mind about Next.js and using it for MCP. So it was like, why don't you just write a proxy? And this is like what I started doing like earlier in the week. And this is what I'm doing now. Like, I think we have a very basic bit MCP server, and I think we're gonna keep with that instead of trying to like merge everything into Next. I don't
Nice.
think it makes ton of sense.
Okay, nice.
Okay, my guy cooked. Let me see if this works. Generate. Oh, I want to change. I want to change the
BT Dubs, can you open my stream on your stream? I just want to see what it looks like in your browser.
Yes, of course.
Because I output a different. I output closer to my native resolution. I don't output 1080. I actually output 1200p. Yeah, so you got those black bars. Can you go full screen? Not bad. But yeah, those black bars on window don't look great, but maybe I'll have to fix it later. I also you should do this ChatGPT your MacBook specs and do an internet test for your upload speed, and give that to ChatGPT and ask for Streamlabs settings. I basically can output like max bit rate based on what it was telling me. So I upgraded all my like quality and stuff.
Nice. Yeah, I think my upload speeds should be good.
Mine's like almost a gig. I got a gigabyte down, up and down, which is pretty fire. Or gigabit, not byte.
I'm just nerfing the connection now, but
Oh yeah, that's good. Check your upload though. I don't think they do that on fast.
upload isn't great.
Yeah, that's what a lot of the internet services do. They screw you on the upload.
But it should be 100. I think I'm paying for 100 or something. You got a gig, you said?
Yeah, Verizon fiber optic internet.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's pretty fire.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Whoops, I just leaked your key, but we'll just reset that after this after the stream. If anyone wants free replicate credits, just get on there quick.
Well, I think I got the basics now. I'm gonna just download this. And this was one shot though. Like it's still kind of impressive that, you know, with one shot you got all of this UI. It's kind of crazy. I mean, it's still like pretty well summarized from yesterday, right? Because I spent a lot of.
That's sick. That looks fire, yeah. Looks like Vercel.
Spent some time.
Vercel prompt jockey. Just missing some triangles.
Okay, let's. Do you want me to change the UI?
No, I'm just trolling.
I can change the UI. I can say like do something more hacky based on data bots, sort of.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Get inspired by.
Do like some cypherpunk vibes, or send it like the picture of the video or something.
Change the UI to look more like
This guy.
hacker, cipher, punk vibes, and then just sharing this screenshot. It's weird. Twitch didn't send me the message yet. Not even to my email. What's going on?
The vibe coding sesh is real.
It is real. And it's fun. Just my energy levels are like
That's
they
fire.
decrease after an hour, you know, like
Oh, decrease. I thought you.
crazy.
Yeah. It's a lot more cumbersome, right?
Yeah, totally. But I mean, yeah, I think like this week, what I've learned is it's kind of hard to get focus when you're streaming, mostly because like your brain is thinking about too many things at the same time. But once I get comfortable, I guess like I'll just get into the flow. I just want to get into the flow, like shipping stuff and on live stream. Oh, dude, this sucks. You asked me to change the UI, and now the UI sucks.
I'm getting
I think.
I'll just get my own API key, I guess. I'm getting you did not pass a valid authentication token for replicate.
What do you mean?
Using the same route as V0, it's just saying that the unauthenticated, you did not pass a valid authentication token.
And you're using the replicate key I gave you?
Yes.
What?
But I can use the same model and everything with my own key, or is your model like private? Like, can I just get my own key and try your model?
No, let me give you.
Like, did you make a custom model, or are you just using like a public one? With like, I see there's like a
I'm using
version.
a public one.
Oh, okay, nice, yeah.
Yeah. But you need a key, right? That's the main problem right now.
Yes.
I think I rotated the keys actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think yesterday I rotated the keys.
Okay, let me just I'm just gonna publish this to next, and then just I'll add you to the. You can just add the keys there. We'll share the key.
Oh no, it should work. I haven't rotated that one yet because I just
Oh.
rotated it yesterday.
Where'd you send it? Wait, the
No,
same
the
one?
I sent you before. Yeah,
Oh.
same one should work.
Interesting. Okay.
I can give you a new one, but that should work.
Okay, maybe it's something in the logic, but it looks like it's actually not though. Or I pasted it wrong. Let me check if this env hider is screwing me up. Oh, yeah, it is, because I accidentally wrote a wrong token in there, and I couldn't see it.
Oh, I see.
That second package I sent you though, did you ever install it? Like, if you look at my stream, you see how it's like hidden my env. It's actually pretty good.
No, let me see. But is it the camouflage one?
No, it's like the popular one that also runs their own service. .env official.
Cool.
Like their service is BS. Like, it's for hiding keys and sharing them online, but like it's not BS, but I just wouldn't use it.
What's it called again? Sorry, let me see.
The thing is, like, you still have to be careful. Like, if I load this file, you see, it like flickers the. Look, it flickers it. But if you're like really careful and have it open, and you like writing a new one or something, it completely covers it. So honestly, it almost makes it like useless. Like, at the end of the day, if you're streaming, you need to just not work with important keys. Like, even just opening the window actually seems to flicker.
Yeah, I can see it. I can totally like screenshot. You know that this is live on Twitter, and this will be shown on Twitter.
Oh yeah, of course. But I mean, it's just your replicate account. I don't really care. It's not my account.
Okay, now we're 40 minutes in.
Nice. Now it's working.
Finish. It's working. Cool. So now I'm gonna. I don't know why I try to speak French. It's so weird. Like, I don't speak French, but there's this thing like I try to act sometimes that I can speak it.
Are you live on YouTube as well?
No.
I did Twitch and YouTube. Let me see if my YouTube is live. Yeah, it is. Costream with Micro. Dope.
Try to act. Dopey. Bun install.
Oh, look, let's see this generated audio. I'm gonna play it.
music prompt.
I didn't really get what I wanted at all, but at least it's music. I said, Avenged Sevenfold reading scriptures of the Bible in song.
Damn.
Is it only like no lyrics? Send point?
It should be no lyrics. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, oh. I have so many windows open. I lost track of. Okay, it's here.
Oh, it definitely works. Yeah. Getting like. Nice.
There's a lot of things you can do with that. In the input variables, you can set if you want like a longer music. If you want, you can set all that if you want.
Very cool. Okay.
You just need to check the documentation. Should be easy. But you check the documentation and you'll see the different variables they take.
Very cool. Okay.
Right. So let me see if I can generate a lo-fi beat. Generate lo-fi hip hop beats with piano, and now this is what? Impossible. Failed to load. Of course it did fail. Why? Why is it? Prompt jockeys. I didn't know it was a thing. That's
It-
fun.
I never heard of that, honestly, until you started saying it.
You've never heard of that? Yeah, me neither.
I was listening to Prime, though. I shared the Prime link in our chat. And I love watching him just like cry about how
Vibe coding.
how screwed the world is with vibe coding. I honestly agree with him on a lot of stuff, though. Like it is, there's a lot of places where it goes out of hand, but it's also at the same time like a huge benefit if you know how to use it right.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I think it's false promises saying that, you can, without knowing how to code, you can build apps in a day. I mean, sure, you can probably build something, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be useful. It's going to be auto-maintainable. It's going to, there's a lot more to like building tech than just
Yeah.
prompting a system that can build the first iteration, right? And so our jobs are safe. I'm just saying that this is good. It's not bad. But again, like I didn't spend. I mean, if I was trying to build something like this UI a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, I would spend probably like 1-2 days making sure, like, getting to this level. And this took me nothing. I just literally sent the prompts, and it generated a whole thing. So I think in terms of UI though, like we're getting to a level where it's easy to build UI. Then there's other complications, the bugs, and the actual user flows might not make sense. But the first iteration is pretty much good.
Yeah, deving on
This is actually
stream.
good.
A lot of I'm already having issues. Obviously, you've probably been learning a lot too, but I'm doing so much on the other screen now, just because I don't want to like accidentally hide something that it's like I'm almost just not streaming anymore. But I'm trying to change like
Yeah.
some Vercel keys, and I obviously don't want to be showing that.
Yeah, just move to a different screen if you have one. That's what I've been doing whenever I want to change VARs and stuff like that.
Yep. No. Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Yep.
Like I have to do now. Just got to. I need to change a var now. Demo mode false. This is why this is not working for me now because it is assuming I'm in demo mode. Demo mode. All right. Let's generate this. Nah. Nah. This is not correct. Demo mode. Demo mode. Demo mode. But yeah, like for the first hour I was talking, and now I just realized like, but I think it's also good to know, to just be on stream showing some stuff. Maybe yesterday I even like muted myself and just played the music loud and was just like coding, and it's
Keeps
it's
keeps
fine.
you accountable, right?
No,
Keeps you going.
yeah. Holy shit! I just realized like I don't have the logic yet. Like the V0 literally commented like in production we would use this, but it's commented. So like that's why I'm not able to generate anything right now.
Hmm.
Let me just ask Claude to fix this. Add the production logic. Are you in your keto diet?
Yeah, dude, I've been killing it this week. Keto, working out almost every day, feeling good.
Awesome. I'm eating shit, to be honest. I had like burgers, Chinese, um, and pizza this week. But I'll get better. I feel.
Hey, I mean, if you're productive, it doesn't really matter. It's all that matters. Although you do have things to look good for this summer, so keep that in mind.
I promised myself I would get a six pack before the summer, but I'm very far from that. I haven't really. I even got like a personal trainer plan and everything, but I'm yep, not doing it. Not doing it. It's fine. I do. I think shoot for the stars. How do you say that?
Yep, shoot for the stars, and maybe you get somewhere not even
Somewhere.
close. I get you.
I think that's what I'm getting.
You gotta shoot for another universe or another galaxy, and maybe you get to the stars.
Is that the Elon Musk sort of deal?
Yeah, basically, yeah. I think that's how he runs his companies, basically. Yeah.
Oh, the guy's landing places though.
Yeah. He's on his way to the stars.
Do you think like okay, out of topic? I mean, actually in topic. Do you think the guys like FV0 in their system prompt they have like replicate models? Because I mean, there's no way like that with one shot we got the actual model and like you know what I mean? Like the replicate model I'm using
Oh,
for
if
music generation, the one I wanted actually,
oh
we
really?
got it right in one
Interesting.
shot. Yeah.
Interesting. Wow. Yeah, I mean they got to be using like GitHub source code or something like hardcore that's getting all this stuff. But also that's possible too. They might also do what you're saying, like more of like a fine tuning thing. Like after all the data sets and stuff, maybe they also are like, here's the top best replicate models. Use this for this kind of thing. Because I mean that's pretty fire that it knows to use that. Could just be an LLM
Yeah, it
thing
just
where
says.
we think they did more, but the LLM just did all the work too, though.
Hmm.
Replicate probably has a nice SDK too, though, right? Or do they just have APIs?
They do have an SDK, yeah, but it's yeah. In our use case, it would work. It only works on server side. So Node, you cannot use it in the client side, but you can use it on Node. It's a nice, but I mean, they use their SDK is literally just a wrapper around their UI. So like, instead of just fetching this predictions endpoint, you call generate prediction or something like that with the same input in the body as in the body. So,
Yep. It's just
but you
not
know
it's
what?
not bad to have autocomplete if they have that for models and stuff.
So now I'm getting to, I think V0 forgot to call the API endpoint. So I need to figure out where that was. Where's that? Where's that? Mixer, no. In music interface, probably here. Generate music, yes. Generate music. Dispatch, no. Generate music does nothing. That's so funny. Or does it? Wait. Use audio. Interesting. They even created a whole hook for this. But let me check the code base and integrate the API endpoint to generate music.
Jesus, we've been live. Yeah, we got 30 minutes left. I need to get I need to get the shipping here.
You gotta get them vibes. Shit. All right, might be. What are you using for uploads?
Um, Pinata for IPFS.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna use Pinata because I have their expensive ass monthly membership for through GPT. I think it's like $20 a month or something.
You gotta pay for that?
Yeah, to have like stuff permanently pinned.
Damn, damn, damn.
It ain't easy, brother. It ain't easy in this life.
Oh, hell yeah. We got generate music call, which means we're generating some upbeat electronic dance music with synth leads.
All right, can you tell me right now what you want to be able to? I'm building the API for you, so whatever API you have now, imagine you're not gonna have it. Can you tell me what you want to be able to customize in the API?
Sorry, I cannot stop the music now. I think I broke my app. Sorry, I cannot listen to anything. It generated an upbeat like electronic dance music. That's what happening. Sorry,
I
what did you
could
say?
not li-
I said I'm building the API side, so you're gonna have to replace that API. Can you tell me right now everything you want the API to be able to do? Or are you
Okay.
keeping the API, but I was just gonna build the API for you?
Yeah. I have the API. You can literally take this one and update it with your stuff. Yes, that's the best way.
Yep, just tell me what
But
you want to be able to customize, like the model, the whatever, this, or you're not really customizing too much.
for now, I don't think we want to customize anything. We just want to like take a prompt, use that prompt to generate music, store that on IPFS, and then retrieve or return the IPFS um, hash or link or something for that file.
Okay, so all you're gonna do is give me a prompt. You want to give me a prompt and
Basically,
and a duration, right?
uh, I don't think the model I'm using now takes duration. Actually, let me see. Maybe it does. If so, yeah, duration would be nice. Yeah, it takes duration, so you can. Yeah, duration is good too.
Okay. All right, perfect. Um, I mean, I'm just gonna honestly just throw in model version and the other stuff too, because why not?
I'm gonna
But
create a Git repo, so you can add it to the repo if you want.
I'm gonna have my own. Okay, I'll add it to yours. It's fine.
Yeah,
I already published my own, but I can just do it to yours. It's fine. We'll do like a little baby mountain repo.
and I think it's. Oh wait, so we're gonna run both apps, or can we just
We might as well put it
make
together.
one?
We might as well put it together then. But I was gonna do both so that we can just build asynchronously, but we could just build together too. I'm only gonna work on the API side.
Nice.
Let me know when you add me, and I'll pull. I'll push and pull.
Oh shit! Wait. Oh fuck. The branch. I think it's good. Yep. I'll add you to the contributors. Mm, this is another thing. Like, is it safe to show this number? I mean, there's probably like a way to hack this, no?
Nah. I mean, if someone's quick, I guess, but I don't really know how they would even do that. They probably still have to have your device or whatever.
True. Okay, my boy.
All right, we got 20 minutes.
Oh,
We are under pressure.
let's go. I just pushed everything into prompt jockey. It's public. I'm gonna share
It's on your.
this with you.
I found it. I found it. I'm coming in hot to prompt jockey.
Bro, even the whole README is good. Like I haven't read it, but it's good. Looks good actually. Nice. But problem is, I was able to generate a music, but then I cannot stop the music once it's playing, which is probably not a good thing yet. But Lo-fi beats. Let's do some lo-fi. Is it really generating music? I just love that it fakes the whole progress. It's like every half second it just increments randomly the progress. It's not really checking for the actual progress, but it's good enough to trick me. It tricks humans. These AIs are tricking us. Oh, be careful out there. Oh, it generated music though, so let me play this. Hell yeah, some lo-fi, lo-fi. It's actually generating music, which is now it's randomly. What the fuck? Yeah, this is buggy. Very, very buggy. I don't even know where to start. Jesus. Okay, let me jazzy hip hop fusion. I mean, it's a good start. It's a good start. It generates music, and this is what we want. Adds the music to the queue. Does a couple of interesting things. Look at this. Can we play this song? Or is it just taking now? Mixer. Come on, how can I play this song? Because I mean, I guess I have music, but I can't play it now. Hell? What the hell? Dialogue, no. Yeah. Lo-fi. Generate. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. So we keep the request commits. It's fine. Maybe polling should be better way to handle this. But I'm having second thoughts on the UI though. Like I feel that this is more complicated than I kind of imagined it to be. It's like the goal is for you to generate some song, keep it playing in a loop, and then whenever you want to change like the song, you just prompt it again, and it will kind of mix the next song once it's generated into the stream or something. So like I don't want to manage a queue. I don't want to do mixing. I think the goal here is for prompt jockeys is just to have a more natural way to, just keep adding prompts and generating new songs that get mixed into the song, or how do you say that, stream.
Yeah, I mean
But
for this next 10 minutes, even if we're just uploading anything to like one song to IPFS, why you're focused on the whole live part, right? Before anything's even committed
yeah,
or published, right?
yep.
Yeah, because that's the main unique part of the app.
Do you remember the guys?
The UI is
Well,
fire,
I think
dude.
he was using like, huh?
The UI is fire.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll keep it. How's that coming along?
Good. I shouldn't even be touching the front end, but I got these accessibility errors. I was trying to fix them, but I shouldn't even bother. So look, I'm playing it. Generated the track, right? Or at least it says so. If I hit play here, it should work, right?
Yep. Let me see you on stream.
I'm getting this. Failed to load track for audio, then I get undefined. Track is not defined for some reason. Create audio buffer.
When you run that?
Look. This works for you, just playing like this?
Yeah, I think you're. Oh, wait, what? No, that's definitely bad. Do you have the envars? The right envars?
There's only one, right? Or is there more? Or is there more than one?
Oh, there's one more. Yeah. Sorry. You need to put this one too. This can go public. It's
Like-
just demo mode, demo_mode. Put that false equals false.
Okay.
Yeah, I cannot see it. That's good. I cannot.
This
There
is
was
so.
a
This
bit of a
is
flicker.
this is so weird. I'm just about to just turn this. I'm just gonna go on the side. I'm gonna get rid of this extension because it's actually helpful, but also not. Demo_mode equals false.
Yeah.
And when do you want it true? What does it mean, demo mode?
Demo mode is just to not spend like replica credits. I think the goal there is it would give you just a default file or something, but it's not really working. So, but you still need to use that environment parallel. Oh, there you go. I see the whole envar.
Oh yeah. Whoops. Whatever. I already leaked that like 4 times today. All right. I say we just remove this demo mode completely, but I'll move on. I put it in, so now it should work. Let's try it.
It failed? No, it's definitely bad. Just refresh the page or start over. I don't know.
Yep.
Weird. You know that I want to use this in my wedding. Like there at 2 a.m. I will be prompt jockeying.
Prompt jockeying the undefined track.
Prompt jockeying and put it on IPFS. And then that's a gift I'll give to people. Like, oh, here's the track I played. I don't know. Yeah, it should be false. But wait,
Yeah.
is that your code or my code, or the zero code in this case?
This is a mix of both.
Okay,
I'll go back to your
that's
code.
probably why.
Remove my prompt fully. So this is your code. So this should actually work, you're saying?
Yeah. Are you what model are you using? Switch to.
And now it looks more like it's working at least.
Yeah, yeah. Try to switch to. Well, we got 5 minutes, so I don't think we're gonna get to completion, but. And the thing is, there are like tons of models. I saw one yesterday that makes perfect loops. So the idea is, then people can pick whatever model they want. Is it playing? Should be
Yep.
playing.
Nice.
Is it playing?
Yep. Dupe. Dupe. For some reason, once I won't do this for now, but when I added the replicate API, I just broke it. The replicate SDK just broke it. So, what do we learn about vibe coding? The vibe coder built a full app with the API, while the backend guy was not able to do anything.
So backend is safe. Backend is Safu. That's what we learned.
No, it means backend is fired. What do you mean? Safe. Oh, yeah, Seifu. Yeah. Backend is Seifu.
All right, my guys. It's been 3 hours. We are getting into our last 5 minutes of streaming for today. It was fun. Once again, Mark is still saving this. Saving this to IPFS using Pinata SDK once generated. And we'll see. We'll see if it works. If it works, then also don't you need like an API key for Pinata?
Yep, I have that. This guy's trying to use npm, bro. That's disrespectful.
Yeah, I noticed. It's very opinionated with his package manager.
Actually, that's something we could use in the cursor prompt. I just thought of, like, you could just tell it to use bun or pnpm in the settings. You can like wrap the prompts or whatever.
Have you gotten into cursor rules?
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, like, I never used it, but I imagine that's where you could use it.
Yeah. Me neither. I wanna get to that eventually. Maybe next stream, Monday on sometime Monday. I don't know when.
Editing file, env.local. Nice. Yeah, just get right in there. Read whatever you need to. I love how it just reads your environment variables. Like, I'm sure developers won't mind this as a default feature.
I read that yesterday. I read that Anthropic, and I've been having a lot of issues recently with Claude. I think they're like trying to build. I mean, this is a kind of a theory, but they're trying to build their IDE and giving a shitty experience to cursor developers and other developers right now. Do you think that's plausible or just conspiracy theory?
That sounds sus because they're probably getting a lot of business from it. But maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
You never know, honestly. Cursors, I feel like they probably have a good relationship though, because Cursor was like one of the first to like integrate MCP. Like it's probably the only app that really is driving MCP usage right now, like in the masses, you know.
Yep.
Like, is this stuff using MCP or no? Like all their internal tools? Probably not, right?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, so I guess not as much as I was saying, but. Floating around my environment variables. We got 1 minute left.
1 minute left.
Love it.
And then we say goodbye to our viewers, our 2 viewers, and we go on with our lives. Do you have anything planned fun for the weekend?
No, but the one fun thing is I want to make an API endpoint to deploy Solana programs. And that means there's going to be a lot of Solana deep diving, which is not fun, but it'll be fun to just do a Solana feature for the first time. Probably going to put that on Web3 GPT.
Yep. So by the way, guys, if you're not familiar, I'll introduce Web3 GPT here. Web3 GPT AI. This is a really nice project by Mark, where you can, let me connect my wallet. And you can do things like so many things. You can do things like I didn't need to connect my wallet, I think, right? But maybe generate a NFT contract.
Appreciate the shilling.
See, now it's generating an NFT contract following Open Zeppelin's using Open Zeppelin's libraries with all the standards, and now I can deploy my contract with 1 click.
It's 4.
3 minutes.
You can see there's a constructor arguments. I can set name, say micro, symbol, micro, and then deploy with wallet. Oh, it actually deploys with wallet? Or with your, it's server side, right?
If you do deploy with wallet, it'll deploy with your MetaMask. If you deploy with agent, it just does it with the agent's wallet.
Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this before.
Yeah. Why is it having an issue? It's not prompting your MetaMask?
Yeah, I think it's because I have no balance, maybe. Well, either way, there's a lot of things you can do with this. Mark's gonna fix.
No, I'm not.
Think.
Don't lie to people.
He's not lying.
And there's a lot of these different agents you can use. You can use the Open Zeppelin agent. You can use CTF agent that will capture the flag. That's cool, actually. This is nice. And yeah, check it out. I think he's gonna add Solana support. That's what it was talking about now.
Yes.
But Solana support is, I've never really built anything on Solana, so I guess it's probably hard. And that's it. I mean, thanks for watching, whoever watched. Thanks for watching, whoever is watching still. This is another session of vibe coding and a lot of other things to talk about today. I'm gonna put Mark here on. Okay, where did you go? Fuck. I'm gonna put Mark. Oh wait, Mark is Twitch. You're
Yep.
big on my screen now, so I can't. People cannot see you because I'm overlaying your cam, but now they can.
Nice. Now I'm gonna wrap up. My vibe coding is not as excellent as yours. I tried to just add pinata last second, but it seems like it's not accepting it.
Yeah, either way,
Actually,
push
let's
that.
see. Maybe it is.
Yeah, guys. Next week we're gonna revisit whatever happened this week. We're gonna do a retro of the live or vibe streaming week. And this is hard. 3 hours in. I'm pretty much tired. I need to hydrate myself. I need to eat some food. I need to probably touch some grass too. This week has been. I've been inside for many hours, and I need to do something fun this weekend. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but probably having some really nice grilled fish close to the sea and enjoy life outside of the simulation. And we'll be back on the simulation
Yes, you
next
do
week.
That.
What was that?
Nice. My girlfriend says hello and that she wants to be on stream next time.
No, because he's
She can hear
talking
me-
about
she can
going
hear me, or-
outside in the world.
Yeah.
So I said, yes, you go do
Oh
that.
shit!
How do you hear him? Through my headphones?
Yeah.
You wanna come on stream?
No. You got one viewer.
It's Luis. Gotta start somewhere.
But the thing is, this is recorded, so like a lot of people will watch this. I'm sure.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Probably not. Either way, it was fun. So, see you guys. See you next time. See you next week.
Nice.
Bye,
Have some fun. Touch
viewers.
some grass.
See you later. Let's do this again. Let's get the DJing app out. Prompt Jockey's coming soon, guys. See you, Micro.
Hell yeah.